Hello, and welcome to Calm Speak English, a space where you can listen, repeat, and learn English slowly and naturally. My name is Alex, and I'm happy to have you join me today. In this episode, I'll be speaking slowly. I'll use simple, clear language and repeat key ideas so you can imitate my voice and build your speaking confidence step by step. Our topic today is how to describe your daily routine in English, not just short sentences, but complete ideas. We'll talk about morning, afternoon, and evening routines, and by the end of this lesson, you'll be able to talk about your day in natural English sentences. So, let's get started. Talking about your day is one of the best ways to practice English because it's real. It's your life, something you already know well. You don't have to search for complicated words or discuss hard topics like politics or science. You simply talk about the things that happen to you every day. What time do you wake up? What do you eat? Do you go to work or stay home? How do you feel? Tired? Happy? Busy? Relaxed. This practice helps you speak naturally. You're no longer translating in your head. You think directly in English. You don't have to be perfect. You just have to try. Imagine someone asking you, "What did you do today?" You could say, "I woke up at 7, went to work, had coffee, and answered emails. In the evening, I cooked dinner and watched TV." Even if you're alone, shy, or not in English class, you can practice describing your routine every day. Start with simple questions. What did I do today? What time did I wake up? Where did I go? What did I eat? How did I feel? Practice in the morning to review yesterday or at night before bed. Speak simply, use the English you know, and don't worry about mistakes. Morning routine. Repeat slowly. I usually wake up at 7. Sometimes I wake up early when I have a busy day. If I go to bed late, I feel tired the next morning. I stay in bed for a few minutes and think about the day. I take a deep breath and stretch my body and get up slowly. I go to the bathroom and brush my teeth. I splash my face with cold water to wake myself up. Sometimes I take a shower and listen to soft music. After that, I get dressed. Then I make breakfast, maybe toast, eggs, fruit, or cereal. Most mornings I drink coffee, sometimes tea. Before I leave, I check my phone and schedule, pack my bag, put on my shoes, and head out the door. Shadow story. My morning. In the morning, I woke up around 7. Sometimes earlier if I have a lot to do. I lie in bed for a moment and think about the day. I stretch and slowly get up. I brush my teeth for 2 minutes, then wash my face with cold water. If I'm still sleepy, I take a hot shower. After that, I get dressed and go to the kitchen to make breakfast. Before I start my day, I drink a big cup of coffee and enjoy the silence. Before I leave, I check my phone, grab my things, and head out. Afternoon routine. Repeat slowly. I usually have lunch around 12:30. Sometimes I eat at my desk if I'm busy. I try to take a short walk after eating. It helps me feel refreshed and focused. In the afternoon, I answer emails and attend meetings. I drink water and sometimes have tea or coffee. If I feel tired, I take a few deep breaths or stretch. I try to stay organized and plan my tasks for the rest of the day. Shadow story. My afternoon. Around noon, I usually have lunch. Sometimes I eat quickly if I'm busy with work. After lunch, I take a short walk to refresh myself. I go back to my desk and check emails. Meetings fill most of my afternoon. I drink water or tea to stay alert. If I feel sleepy, I stretch or take a short break. I plan what I need to finish before the evening. Evening routine. Repeat slowly. In the evening, I finish my work around 6. I like to cook dinner or try a new recipe. After dinner, I clean up the kitchen. Sometimes I watch TV or read a book. I like to relax and spend time with my family. Before bed, I take a shower or wash my face. I set my alarm for the next day and get ready to sleep. Shadow story. My evening. In the evening, I finish my work around 6. I prepare dinner and enjoy a quiet meal. After eating, I clean up the kitchen. I might watch a show or read a book to relax. Spending time with family makes me happy. Before sleep, I wash my face and take a shower. I set my alarm and go to bed calmly, ready for a new day. Encouragement and practice tip. Remember, speaking English every day is the key. You don't have to be perfect, just try. Start with small sentences like, I woke up, I had lunch, I cooked dinner. Gradually, you'll tell your whole day naturally in English. Practice a little every morning, afternoon, and evening. Step by step, your English will improve, slowly, naturally, confidently. You are learning. You are growing. Keep speaking, keep repeating, and enjoy the journey.